Hi guys, this is Abid. Art of Batik with Genting tool is not an easy task. Not only does it take time to learn, but it also requires a lot of practice. Flow in hand is matter a lot. It takes a lot of practice to do this, but after practice you will enjoy the flow of wax and delicate movements of hand with this amazing tool. As you know, batik is a wax resist art. We can apply wax on different surfaces and make the beautiful art pieces. I am sure you will enjoy this video. If you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do it and press the bell icon and follow me on Instagram and Facebook. Let's start the video. I have done my drawing on the required size for my batik, and I place my design under the frame and start to apply the wax on the silk. But if you want to draw the design on the fabric, draw your design first and then start batiking. Batik with genting tool is little tricky. You need to know where to start and where to end. When you complete your one motif, hold the genting tool and put the fabric piece on the nozzle of genting tool. Refill the genting tool when you feel wax is getting hard or ending. How to hold the genting tool in hand is very important. Balance of wax in genting tool is based on the position or angle of your hand. Flow is important during batik with genting tool. I made the first layer of batik leaves. Now I am making veins of leaves with genting tool. Now fill the wax with brush in the branches. My design is complete now. I am applying the paint on it. After batiking, apply the color on fabric with brush. If you are working on large size fabric, wet the fabric with water then apply the paint on it. You can use silk dyes too. In the first layer of paint, I am applying different shades of green in the leaves. My fabric is thick, maybe my colors start to spread out of my batik lines, but I will cover it in second layer because I am making my batik art in light to dark tone. You can watch color has spread because of my thick fabric or maybe wax was not hot. When you apply the wax on fabric, make sure your wax should be hot and carefully apply on fabric without any break.
In this video, I did not apply the color on the whole fabric. When you want to make motifs in different colors, then apply the colors according to your design layers and motifs. Apply pink color in the background and let the color dry.
In second layer of wax, I am filling the motif with wax where I don't want to apply the second coat of color.
Make the branches with brush and leaves with the Djanting tool. Unfortunately, my Djanting tool is leaking and wax is dripping on the fabric. I cannot remove the wax from the fabric, that's why I am repeating this mistake on the other areas of the fabric. Now my mistake is part of my design. In second layer of paint, I choose pink and purple for leaves. Apply the blue color in the background and let the fabric dry. Make the third layer of leaves. Apply the blue color in the leaves and dark blue in the background and let the fabric dry. After the fabric dries, remove it from the wooden frame. Now it's a time to remove wax from the fabric. I have already made a video on it. You can find the link in my video description. My batik piece of art is ready after ironing and washing in hot water. Thanks for watching. If you really like the video, press the like button and don't forget to subscribe the channel and be sure to press the bell icon. Stay safe, stay happy. Goodbye.